Laser alignment is essential for maintaining clean, professional output, especially in high-output systems used in real production environments. If you are experiencing colored edges on white beams, fuzzy or thick beams, double lines, or distorted shapes, then your laser projector may need alignment. This video provides a clear step-by-step guide for performing field alignment on X-Laser Skywriter 10W+ systems and the Triton T40. Step 1. Establish a white reference. Locate a plain flat surface, such as a wall, to project a white square as the visual reference or baseline. We recommend using the lowest power setting to make it more comfortable to work on and for your safety. Step 2. Identify the master beam. During the alignment process, the blue laser beam remains fixed and will be considered the master beam. This will be used as our baseline to align the other colors. Step 3. Align the first color, magenta. Bring up the magenta color. Use the red beam to align it to the fixed blue laser to complete the magenta color. To make adjustments, open the side hatch to access the alignment knobs. Using your fingers or a 3mm hex tool, turn the knobs to the desired position to align the red laser until you get a clear, focused magenta color. Step 4. Align the second color, yellow. Just like magenta, open the side hatch to access the adjustment knobs. Assuming the red beam is aligned properly from the prior step, the green laser will be aligned with the red laser beam. After bringing up yellow, use either your fingers or a 3mm hex tool to turn the knobs to adjust the green laser against the red beam to highlight the yellow color. And finally, step 5. Verify with white output. Once you are satisfied with magenta and yellow alignment, return to a white square again and check for a clear beam with no color separation and uniform brightness. Proper alignment restores clean beams and accurate color. Your XLaser product is now ready for the next show. Visit XLaser.com for more information. Contact support if you have service questions or if alignment issues persist. Thank you for watching.